Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really nice 1973 Corvette big block convertible. It's got a 4-speed transmission. It's got 8-inch rally wheels with Goodyear Eagle NASCAR tires. And those were the raised yellow letter tires back in the day. The interior is really nice on this car. The door panels, carpet has all been redone. It really looks good. The big block sounds amazing. It's got a beautiful pearl white paint job. Four-speed transmission. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. It's got an aftermarket Corvette cassette tape player. Your air conditioner controls. This shows 8.25 to 1 compression ratio, 395 foot-pounds of torque. Well, that's how it came from the factory. The previous owner wanted to turn it up a little bit, so he rebuilt the engine with flat top pistons. It's got a performance cam, that's why it sounds so good. And he did a crane fireball electronic ignition. So he's got it up to around 400 horse, which isn't a fire-breathing monster, but it's good power, good sound, good drivability, and most important, you can run it on premium pump gas. But it's fun to drive, it sounds good, it's got good brakes. The windshield is cracked, you can see right here. It's not in the line of sight, but it is there. The top's in good shape. I'm going to try to get some pictures with the top down. But it's a fun car. The color is a white diamond, kind of a pearl white. It's the first year that had the Endura bumper on the front, which is the Corvette rubber painted bumper. And still had the chrome split bumper on the rear, just like the 68 through 73 was this style bumper. It's a split chrome rear bumper. It's got a luggage rack on the back. Those are 8-inch rally wheels, and again the interior is really nice on this car. It's got power windows. It's got an armrest there in the center. Very nicely done seats, carpet, the whole thing. So in 73 they lowered the performance. Actually in 71 was the first year they dropped the compression. But he's got it back up. With flat top pistons it's probably 9 to 1, 9.5 to 1. But it's just got a good rumble, good sound, good torque. It's a lot of fun to drive. We'll have more information on our website. And I'll have some pictures with the convertible top down. That's half the fun. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails.